In this lecture, I am going to show you how we can create 1D objects using Design Modeler. We are going to create a simple frame for this example. In order to create 1D objects, the first and foremost thing is you need points. And once you get the points, you need to join those two points by line. So in order to create a point, you can go and select this point option. So once you select the point option, see here the type of point you are going to create is a construction point. And what are you going to define the coordinates of this particular point in a space. So by default it is going to show from coordinate file. But we don't have any coordinate file right now. So what I am going to do is I am going to press and I am going to select manual input. So I am going to create my first point at the origin of the space, which is 0, 0, 0. And once I am satisfied with this particular coordinates, I am going to right click and generate the point. So here we have created a point at 0, 0 and 0. Now what I want to do is I want to create another point which is at a distance of 100 mm from this starting point in the x direction. So in order to do so, what I need to do is once again I need to select the point option and change definition to manual. X coordinate value to 100 mm and leave y and z to default. Right click on point and generate. See here a point at a distance of 100 unit in the x direction has been created. Likewise, you can create a number of points using the point option. Now, I need to create a line between these two points. So in order to create a line between these two points, what I need to do is I need to go to the concept and I need to select the option called lines from points. So I have selected these lines from points and now what I need to do is I need to select it by pressing Ctrl. I need to select both of these particular points. Now click apply. Now right click on line and generate. Now you can see that line is added between the points. But see, if you want to create a complicated object which has a number of points and which have number of lines, so how can you do instead of giving all the points like this manually? It will be a very hard task. One thing you can do is you can create what is known as a coordinate file. And once you created a coordinate file, you can just import it into a design modeler, so that you will be able to generate the point all points at once. That simply in a single step. You just need to create a simple notepad, then you can give such type of inputs. This particular column indicates the set of points. So what happens is, for example, if you have two-story building and then you are going to view the coordinate points for the first floor in one set, and you are going to give the coordinates for the second floor in the second set, and this is the point number. So this is the first point number, this is the second point number, third point number, fourth point number, fifth point number, 6, 7, 8 points. And these are XYZ coordinates of this particular point. Now I am going to select the point option. In the coordinate file option, if I just click here, this is asking me to browse. Now browse your coordinate file. Now right click on this point, say generate now. See here different points being generated. Now we are going to concepts and select the lines from the points and join all the points. Now select line and generate. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a cross section. For that, go to concept, and in this concept you need to select the cross section. Frame is made up of a circular tube, so I am going to select the circular tube cross section, and here it will ask me to give the dimension of the cross section. So here there are two dimensions basically, one in inner radius and other is the outer radius. Given inner radius 10 mm and outer radius 12 mm. Now select the line body. In the details part, you are going to see an option where you can apply the cross section. So I am going to select this particular circular tube as my cross section and then just see all the cross sections has been applied. Now what I can do is I can go to the view tab and I am going to select this cross section view or cross section solids so that I can see what types of cross section has been applied. Now select frozen body transparency. So this was a basic method through which you can create a 1D or say 3D body in ANSYS Design Modular.